Good morning everyone. I hope everybody is doing fine. So we were doing coordinate geometry of class 10th. So I believe everybody has completed till question number 3. Now question number 4. See, now what we have done all this while, ratios were given, right? M is to n was given and we had to find the point. Now the point is given, you have to find the ratio. So in order to do that, you will consider the ratio to be k is to 1 always. This is a universal thing. You have to do it in class 10 also, 11 also. Okay, this is a universal thing. Always you have to do it. You always take it as k is to 1 and now solve it. Now your x1, supposing you calculate x1, now your x1 is out here minus 3, x2 is 6, but your x is minus 1, the required point. Okay, so your k minus 3, sorry, k into 6 minus 3 divided by k plus 1 is equals to minus 1. Okay, similarly y1 and y2 are minus 8, 10 and minus 8 respectively. So your equation will be minus 8k plus 10 divided by k plus 1 is equal to 6. Okay, this was a two respective equation. Now you solve it to find the value for k. In fact, you'll be getting k from one equation itself. See, okay, k is equal to 2 by 7. So k is to 1 you have taken, so 2 by 7 is to 1 is 2 by 7. So 2 is to 7 is your m is to n's ratio. Okay, pause the video to note it down. Your m is to n's ratio is 2 is to 7. Clear? Now moving on to question number 5, what we have is the ratio. Please pause the video to note it down. Question number 5 says, first copy the video, okay, copy that numerical and then come to this video. Now in question number 5, it's divided by x-axis. Okay, the point is a and b and it is divided by x-axis. So you know in x-axis y coordinate is 0. So same thing will be applied out here. Whenever you have to find the ratio m is to n, you always take it as k is to 1. Okay, and a y coordinate is 0. So in x-axis, obviously any point on x-axis y coordinate will be 0. So out here k5 minus 5 divided by k plus 1 is equals to 0. Clear? Is equals to 0. Then k is equals to 1. 1 is to 1's ratio. That means it's a midpoint. So 3 by 2 comma 0 is your point which is required, which is on your x-axis, which has divided this line in the ratio of 1 is to 1. Now what this 1 is to 1 means? 1 is to 1 basically means it's at the midpoint. From both the points a and b is at the center between a and b. Okay, that's it for this question. It's fairly easy. Now pause the video to note it down, these two questions. Make sure you understood the concept really carefully. Okay, if you haven't understood, I'm there in the class, just let me know. So I haven't understood XYZ part, just let me know. Okay, now question number 6. Now vertices of parallelogram. As we have done in the first exercise, a parallelogram is a rectangle only when the diagonals are equal. And if the diagonals aren't equal, therefore it's not a rectangle, it's a parallelogram. So they have given you the coordinates. Okay, you have to find the value for x and y. Now see very smartly out here with the diagram first. See, out here we have the diagram ABCD. Okay, x and y, leave it as it is. So you know that O will be the midpoint for parallelogram. Always remember this thing, its intersection O is the midpoint. C, O coordinate will be 1 plus x by 2 and y coordinate will be 2 plus 6 by 2. Right? And similarly from B and D we know 3 plus 4 by 2 is your O coordinate, so you will get the x coordinate. Then equate from AB and BC, AC and BD, you will get the value for x. See, 7 by 2, x plus 1 by 2 is equals to 7 by 2 and x is equals to 6. And similarly you get the value for y. 5 plus y by 2 is equals to 4, giving your y is equals to 8 minus 5 gives you 3. The coordinate of this x and y, the missing coordinate, this x, this y and x is your 3 and 6, y and x. Okay, so pause this video to note it down. Always remember this one thing, that in parallelogram, that whenever diagonals intersect, they intersect at the origin, at the midpoint. Okay, that's it for your question number 6. Now question number 7. First pause the video to note it down. We'll do that question number 6. Okay, question number 7, do it for homework. Elsewise, people who can't do it for homework will do it tomorrow in the class itself. Okay, just give it a go. What I'll explain you the question once. The coordinate is to find out AB is the diameter of the center. AB is the diameter of the circle given as this. So that's it. To find the coordinate for A, your center point is this. Therefore, you have to find coordinate A. Okay, they have given you the midpoint. So use your brain. Just apply in the given formula and let the missing coordinate A be x comma y. So you'll be easily be able to find out the coordinate, the missing coordinate. Okay, so make sure you copy the video and let me know if you are facing any problem in this exercise. It's fairly easy from your board exams. Exercise 3 has been removed, so we'll be focusing on exercise 2 very much. Okay, so thank you class, that is for today. Thank you class, have a nice day. If you have any problem, just let me know in the comment section in the Google Classroom. I'll be definitely helping you out. Okay, that's it for today's video. Bye bye, thank you, have a nice day.